Hey y'all, today we're going to be unboxing the Cutest heat press from Silhouette, the Cloche, and its partner, the Cloche Petite.
Hey y'all, so before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that this heat press is perfect for those of you who want something that can be easily stored, who like big and small projects, and want to take something to a market and utilize it for your local vendor markets. So when you open your box, you're going to find that you have the Cloche Petite, the Cloche power cable, the Cloche's silicone mat, the USB cable for the Cloche Petite, and the instruction manual. The Cloche utilizes a handle lock mechanism so that you don't have to add any manual pressure. It applies the pressure itself. One of my favorite features of this machine is that it has a lock button on the side so that it does not close until you're ready to press that garment. But we're not going to stop there, because the Silhouette Cloche also features a port that allows you to attach your Cloche Petite, and I'll be showing you how I use that in another video. The Cloche offers 3 different heating options: low, medium, and high. Take a screenshot of this and save it for later. You'll see in the video that there is a green light flashing. Once that green light is solid, that means our project is ready to be pressed. So going over to our Silhouette Cameo 5, we're going to cut it out and we are going to bring it back over to our heat press so that we can show you guys what it's going to turn out to be. Next, we're going to start by weeding out our project that we just use our glow-in-the-dark vinyl to create this project with. And if you haven't guessed by now, it is spooky season, so we are going to be creating something cute and spooky. So because we're going to be using a shirt, take your shirt and fold it in half, create a crease in it using your heat press, and then remove that from the heat press after about 5 to 10 seconds. Then we're going to lay it flat, open, with that crease exposed, folding your HTV in half, giving that a little crease so we know where the center line will be. And then we're going to close it, rolling up the shirt so that there's no folds or anything like that that could get in the way of that closure lever. Once we've closed it, we're going to allow it to press until the Cloche has beeped to let us know that it's done. I went over it with our cool press marble slab that cools off your HTV. And then we just quickly remove the film, press it again for about 10 to 15 seconds, rolling that shirt up one more time. And don't forget to cover it with your Teflon sheet so that it does not burn to the top of your press. And then this reveals the project, how it turned out, but I'm going to cut the lights out so you guys can see what it looks like once it has completely been done and in a little bit of dark, because it was daylight outside when I recorded this. But yeah, here it goes. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.